Hello everyone. Today is a Sunday of April and I will be bringing you guys to walk around Tijuana. And we will be starting our journey from Constitution and we will keep walking and I will be showing you along the way what we see. First thing we saw is a whole bunch of minivans here. Mexican people call this taxi, and you carry a lot of people inside this minivan and to get around. And the taxi fare is very inexpensive. I think it would be around, saying about $1 a trip. And you see earlier those minivan was yellow, and along the way you see different color. And that means they go to a different destination. So when you walk around Constitution Avenue, you see so many different stores. For instance, this is a store for musicians. This is very nice and interesting. Too bad they don't allow to get in. But I see it from outside, that is quite a bit of interesting going on. And for instance, this guy is trying his guitar. So continue our journey. My friend Charlie and I discovered this fruit stand.
Eso es más 12.
Nine cheese y ciruelas.
Son 12.
Ah, sí. 60 el vasito.
No, sabor. Sabor. 12. These are this actually is like citrus.
It's like citrus.
Yeah. ¿Cuánto por eso?
50, 60.
60? 50.
60.
I think you like it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's much better than those. Those were kind of bland, the other ones.
All right.
But this is definitely like citrus.
Okay.
It's not soft, but it's not too hard either. It's hard enough that you just bite into it.
Sí. Un vasito, dale una bolsita.
Perfecto.
No, cuñada. Novia no.
So we got 60 pesos, which is equivalent to about $3. All right, now I'm gonna use a $100 100 peso bill.
It's a brand new one.
¿Sí o no?
Sí, gracias. 40, 60. Gracias.
Okay.
You want that?
Yes. I saw her selling these fruits with this red and sticky things. I wonder what that is. And seems interesting.
Got it?
Okay. Oh, very nice.
And you can direct them, but it's not going to use the sound.
And we are by the Calimax. Let's continue on our journey to Constitution. So that is the fruit stand we were in. Let's continue on. And you can see there's so many vendors along the street. They're very interesting. For instance, ahead of us, somebody selling coconuts and horchata. And see the blue vans over there? There's also taxi. and another fruit stand selling fruits. And I ran into these brothers. They are selling potato chips. And they are making the fresh potato chips on the streets. That is so interesting.
Change the shot. Shoot him from the side. Shoot him from behind. Shoot him over his shoulder. You think this, you cut it. Oh, yeah, not so long. Maybe 3 to 5 seconds, but it's interesting.
Check out, they're making fresh batch of potato chips, and I got to have one.
Do like 3 of them at least.
Check out how they seal their plastic bag. They're using that hot metal to seal the plastic bag. That is so smart.
You guys don't give a shit.
And I purchased one bag of potato chip from them. It only cost me about $1. And I asked the guy put the hot sauce and lime juice in it. It's the Mexican way to eat this, and I love it. Very nice. Yes. Yeah, today is a Sunday. Therefore, so many people walking on the Constitution. Check out this green bus. They're so beautiful and really classic. Hi. How are you? Let's keep going. And now we are in 3rd Street and Constitution Avenue. Continue walking. I saw this guy selling something interesting. Guess what? He is selling crickets and also some candies. So let's keep walking. And you see when you turn left here, and that is an area that have a large coffee shop, a lot of artists, a lot of things going on here. Let's check it out. This is a bookstore. I wouldn't mind reading a book here and having a cup of coffee. And this is a coffee shop. Check this out. And I found out that is a art studio, and the name is called PIEZA. And I will put a link into my description box so that you guys can check out. Wow, I think it's very nice. She is really talented. Well, according to my research, they charge for $12 and they will give you unlimited painting material, and also you can have this piece of paper and you can start drawing right there. You can spend the whole afternoon doing painting. That's very good. And I think she is really talented. You really look like the guy, don't you think? Wow, let's continue our journey. See, that's another coffee shop. You know, I can spend the whole day here just enjoying coffee and hang out.
Pero mira, lo importante es que hablen. Lo importante es que hablen.
Well, that's about the end of our tour today. I really appreciate you are staying in with me. Please CLS my video, comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you next time.